rental, what area?
Outside the gig
Okay.
and Malate
So dalawa na.
and Sola.
Tatlo na. Wow, teka lang. Kailangan natin ano to.
Yung Sola, shared kami ng brothers.
Sola is what?
Avida,
Avida. So, ilan taon ka na?
26.
26, tatlong condo.
Yes.
Oh.
2.5 hati kami ng brothers.
Galing mo naman. Oh, pero bihira yung ganito. Bihira ka makakita na 26 years old na meron ng tatlong condo. So, paano mo siya binabayaran? Cash or you're ano to? RFO na or
Pre-selling.
or pre-selling? All of it is pre-selling. So,
On Sunday, nagluluto kami. Kasi nagbaon ako everyday eh. So,
Okay.
hindi ako masyadong kumakain sa labas.
okay.
So, medyo matipid akong tao. So, that's how I...
So masasabi mo ba yung pinakamalaking sakripisyo na ginagawa mo sa finances mo, nagbabaon ka araw-araw?
Oo, kasi honestly, sa Philippines, wala akong ginawang house chore.
Okay.
Sobrang total turnaround yung buhay ko dito sa Singapore. As in, lahat, first time mo na-experience yung mag-plancha, maglaba, magluto, maghugas ng pinggan. Lahat dito ko lang yung experience. And I think for that big change, medyo nakaka-overwhelm siya sa una. Pero pagka nakita mo yung hard-earned money mo, it's very fulfilling.
Si Venus, civil engineer dito, she's earning her salary pero saving 20% of her income, investing 40%. She now has 3 condos, plans to get 10 more. And may target ka ba sa stock market?
Paano target? Like,
Target that you want to, parang kailangan maging 100 million yung portfolio ko, kailangan maging 50 million, kailangan maging 20 million.
Oo naman. Siyempre gusto ko ganun. Kaya,
Do you have a target?
I'm
What's
trying
your
to
target?
improve myself.
Okay.
50 million.
50 million. Okay, in this video, we interview a 26-year-old civil engineer who has 3 condos, plans to buy 10 condos, and is now investing in the stock market. She saves 20% of her money, invests 40%. Paano nagawa yun? Totoo ba yun? Pwede ba yun?
Yes.
Na hindi mo ginagastos? Most of your friends, ginagastos sila. Possible?
Oo naman,
So,
syempre.
yun yung pag-uusapan natin in this video. Check this out.
Please subscribe to Marvin Gamer's channel and click the bell button.
Okay guys, I'm headed home. Just finished Stock Smart Singapore Day 2. We're with Venus.
Hello!
Okay, Venus is a what? What do you do here in Singapore?
I'm a civil engineer,
Okay.
QS.
Ang ingay naman nung sobrang ingay nung ano. Anyways, Venus civil engineer, how long have you been here in Singapore?
2.5.
2.5 years.
Yes.
Tapos,
I started investing massively. I started in real estate.
okay.
Then actually nag-stocks ako nung 2016 but ano lang siya, investing lang siya, like passive investing lang, maglalagay lang ako ng pera. Then parang na-realize ko recently na parang gusto ko na mag-trade.
Okay.
So that's why I attended your stock smart.
Oh, pero may question ako. You said you started in real estate first. Bakit
Actually last year lang
Okay.
pala.
Pero bakit real estate? Normally yun yung hindi huli ng mga tao because you need a larger amount of capital to do real estate. Bakit nag-real estate ka to start?
Kasi na-realize ko na booming yung economy ng Philippines, so there's build. So mas mabilis yung appreciation ng mga property.
Okay.
So and mas liquid yung money mo.
Oh.
And I think kapag dito ka nag-earn sa Singapore, let's be honest, medyo mas malaki siya sa Pinas. So
Okay.
mas may edge ka na mag-invest sa real estate.
So, how did you determine what real estate you were supposed to pick? Nag-condo ka ba? Nagbahay ka ba? Naglupa ka ba?
Condo or
Okay.
rental.
For rental, what area?
Outside the gig
Okay.
and Malate
So, dalawa na.
and Sola.
Tatlo na. Wow, teka lang. Kailangan natin ano
Yung
to.
Sola, shared kami ng brothers.
Sola is what?
Avida,
Avida. So, ilan taon ka na?
26.
26, tatlong condo.
Yes.
Oh.
2.5 hati kami ng brothers.
Galing mo naman. Oh, pero bihira yung ganito. Bihira ka makakita na 26 years old na meron ng tatlong condo. So, paano mo siya binabayaran? Cash or you're ano to? RFO na or
Pre-selling.
or pre-selling? All of it is pre-selling. So, from your salary, nagtatabi ka ng pera for it.
Yes.
Okay.
Talagang nagtitipid talaga ako kasi starting pa lang ako, so bata pa lang, so hindi pa ganun karami yung salary ko.
Okay.
Pero I believe na kasi gusto ko mag-retire ng maaga eh. So, kaya talagang hustle ngayon.
Anong age mo na gusto mag-retire?
35.
35?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes. 35 years old, I want to retire.
Okay, bakit?
Kasi I want to enjoy life more.
Okay.
So, kaya ngayon okay lang na hustle ako, hindi ako masyado nakapag-travel. I
Okay.
believe na meron akong future na pinaghahandaan.
Okay.
So, yun.
So wait, you started working 23. Yung 23 years old ka, what did you do? 23 years old.
I started in stocks.
Okay.
So, passive investing lang siya.
Okay.
And then, when I arrived here, then may nag-introduce sa akin ng real estate. Actually,
Okay.
nung una parang ayoko pa, pero parang nung nakinig ako nung talk, okay pala siya, na parang okay pala siya pang alam mo yun, pang hedge siya sa...
Pero sabay-sabay mo siya binili or di mo
Hindi,
siya
parang
sabay-sabay?
1 month in gap.
Okay, one month yung gap tapos pero yung 'di ba kailangan mo pa rin maglagay ng down payment for it, 'di ba? Or kailangan mo maglagay ng specific amount to reserve?
RS lang.
Okay. So
Then, yun.
not so big. Okay. So ano yung ginagawa mo sacrifices? Ilang percent ng income mo yung pinalalagay mo para sa investments?
40%?
Pero you're a breadwinner, you're not a
No.
breadwinner. So everything pwede mo i-invest para sa ilang lahat.
Yes.
40%, what happens to the other 60% naman?
I'm also saving cash.
Okay.
So,
Ilang percent naman yun?
let's say 20%.
20%. So yung remaining 40%, ano nangyayari doon?
Expenses. Simple.
So pero nag-enjoy ka pa rin dito? Hindi ka na nag-enjoy? Puro ipon na lang?
Sabi nila, live a simple life.
Okay.
So, as long as maging contented ka sa kung ano meron ka, I think maging masaya
Okay.
ka naman eh.
So ano yung simple life para sa'yo? Go.
Masaya, simple lang kasi ang tao. Basta nakikita ko yung friends ko, I mean, nag-meet kami from time to time, and then like, nabibili ko naman ang gusto ko paminsan-minsan, nakakain naman ako masarap, okay na yun.
Okay.
Kahit naman once a year, like makatravel ako, like even local lang, okay na sa akin, ganun.
Ano yung local? Parang
Cebu.
Cebu. Okay, kala ko local, Tanjong Pagar, parang gano'n. Hindi naman.
Dito, sobrang dalang ko lang actually, to be honest. Sobrang
Okay.
dalang ko lang lumabas pag weekends.
Okay.
Pag weekends, like, on Sunday nagluluto kami. Kasi nagbaon ako everyday eh. So,
Okay.
hindi ako masyadong kumakain sa labas.
Okay.
So, medyo matipid akong tao. So, that's how I...
So masasabi mo ba yung pinakamalaking sakripisyo na ginagawa mo sa finances mo, nagbabaon ka araw-araw?
Oo, kasi honestly, sa Philippines, wala akong ginawang house chore.
Okay.
Sobrang total turnaround yung buhay ko dito sa Singapore. As in, lahat, first time mo na-experience yung mag-plancha, maglaba, magluto, maghugas ng pinggan. Lahat dito ko lang yung experience. And I think for that big change, medyo nakaka-overwhelm siya sa una. Pero pagka nakita mo yung hard-earned money mo, it's very fulfilling.
Do you have a target? Sabi mo you will retire at 35. Meron ka bang target? Para babalikan natin itong video na to in the next few years. Meron ka bang target amount na pag nakuha mo to, uwi ka na agad, retire na?
Not amount, it's the like how invested I am.
Okay.
I don't base on amount kasi meron tayong inflation eh. So hindi yan nagba-vary. Kasi yung pera mo maybe next year mababa na yan dahil sa
Okay.
inflation. So maybe pagka marami na kang passive income.
Okay, do you have a target na pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, gusto mo at least ganito yung passive income mo na makukuha per year?
Per year?
Oh, per year.
Per month eh.
Per month. O sige, per month na lang, per month. 150,000 per month.
Yes.
So that's around 1.8 million pesos per year. Okay, ngayon, may 3 ka ng condo. May target ka ba na ilan condos pa gusto mong accumulate?
Plus 10 pa.
10 condos pa. So, 3 condos. Teka lang, ang ingay nyo, nakukuha kayo ng mic. Guys, ito yung maingay. Kung may maingay sa background, ito. Guys, ito yun. First time tayo nagkaroon ng background noise. Ito. So, kung may background noise sa whole video, guys, sila yun. Okay. Teka, hindi ito may edit. Wala ito may edit. Okay, let's continue. So nakuha niyo yung storya ng buhay nila. Okay. So 10 condos plus 3 plus 10. Galing. Why are you doing this? Not a lot of people are doing this,
Kasi
Lalo na, just to interrupt. 26 years old ka, majority of people 26 years old gusto mag-enjoy, gusto mamili. Bakit?
kasi gusto ko maging gaya mo. Magta-travel ka lang. Tapos, alam mo yun, may kumikita ka kaya nagta-travel ka. So, yun yung talagang gusto ko eh.
Okay.
maybe, kasi usually millennials ngayon, travel sila ng travel. So when I see their pictures, like, ba't sila ganun, ganyan. Pero I always like think ahead na in the future gusto ko ganyan na nagagawa ko. Pero ngayon okay lang na magastos kasi ito yung time na nasa peak tayo nung profession natin. Ano yun, medyo nag-hustle tayo, hard work, ganyan. So okay lang sa akin yun kasi lagi akong look ahead, lagi akong in the future.
Oh, to share, no, if you've watched the previous videos, ganun din naman ako, 2006, lahat ng mga office mates ko, lagi sila nag-piece of fair. Lagi kasi hindi ako sumasama. Pag may Puerto Galera na nga lang, di ako sumasama. Madali lang po na sa Puerto Galera kasi malapit lang eh. Di ako sumasama. Lahat ng mga local trips, Cebu, Bohol, Boracay, di ako sumasama. Or yung mga piece of fair international, di ako sumasama. Pero ganun din eh. It's always about thinking long term. Kasi pag nag-tiis ka sa start, later on maka-enjoy ka. So, ngayon, at 26 years old, you have stocks, you have real estate. Ano pa meron?
Cash.
Cash. Sobrang daming cash ba? Sobra?
Hindi.
Sobra?
Hindi.
Okay, ito lagi nila tinatanong to, love life. Meron, wala?
Meron.
Meron talaga?
Yes.
Married? So, married na?
No naman.
So, ayaw mo siya? Engage. Oh, guys, sorry na lang sa mga naghahanap ng love life. Sorry. Sabi mo ba, taken na?
Taken.
Okay. Pero yung tanong nila, taken ba or taken for granted?
Taken.
Okay, taken. Okay. Do you want to start a business also?
Yes.
Anong
After,
business?
that one I still do.
Okay.
After mag-expert na ako sa stocks, ito yung sulok ng CFDs.
Okay. Okay, may question ka ba para sa akin? Okay, tanong na tanong. Kala ko ba, pareho tayo mag-question.
Ano pa yung matitip mo sa mga millennials na hindi sila nagtithink ahead? Ano ba yung motivation mo bibigay mo sa kanila?
Hinahirapan ako dito, nagkamali akong ginamit na camera kasi ang ingay ng mga bus. So, feeling ko makukuha to. Tapos meron pa, guys, so, sobra. So, para ka na-raid, Para ka na-raid. Anyways, motivation sa mga millennials. Para sa akin, advantage ng millennials ngayon, mas madaming millennials gusto maging entrepreneur. Mas madami na hawak nila yung oras nila na nagiging open-minded na yung mga tao na they don't have to work an 8 to 5 job for them to be financially free, na mas madaming options. So tip ko lang, that advantage is also the biggest naman of millennials na masyado nang mamadali. Na meaning, gusto nila makuha to, they want to get their first million kagad, they want to get their first 10 million, 20 million, I want to retire at this age, na they make shortcuts, na nagmamadali sila masyado. Para sa akin, hindi nyo kailangan magmadali eh. By the way, millennial din ako ha.
Yes,
millennial din ako. May pasok ako, upper range. Grabe talaga, guys. Grabe talaga. Anyways, nasa millennial range ako. Pero, yun eh, most of my mistakes happen pag nagmamadali ako. Tapos, eto pa, don't rush. Try to take it slow kasi dadating din naman kayo doon. So, if ever you try to take it slow, that's when it becomes faster because as you try to do it, gumagaling kayo eh. Most of the time when we try to do something very, very fast is number one, we take shortcuts and we try to earn first now eh. So, para sa akin, don't try to earn first now. Try to build, and if you've seen sabi mo, you've watched all of the videos eh.
Yes.
I always say that you build your skills first because when you build your skills, that's what's gonna make you make money later on. So, it means that on year 1, 2, or 3, you may not be making a lot of money, pero on year 4, 5, 6, lahat nung paghintay mo ng year 1, 2, 3, mababawi siya ng kinita mo ng year 5. Ganon. So, to all of the millennials out there, na hindi pa nag-iipon, hindi pa nag-i-invest, you need to save a lot now. You need to set aside a big portion. Tignan nyo siya. She's saving 40% on investments, 20% on savings. Galing nun. Ako, I don't know kung nasabi ko na to sa videos eh. Ginagawa ko dati sa salary ko. By the way, hindi umabot sa point na malaki salary ko kasi may time naman, yung last few years ko medyo mataas na yun, pero medyo mataas, compared to Singapore, not as high as Singapore, pero I would save a certain portion of my income for savings and investments, pero ito yung interesting doon, lahat ng mga ginagawa ko outside employment, lahat ng mga side income ko doon, 70% of that I invested everything. I did not spend as much for the first 5 years. So, ganun lang ako. Tanim lang ng tanim. Tapos,
Pero lahat yung
lahat nung kinita ng business, side hustles, mutual funds nung una, Then, nung sabi ko magsa-stocks ako, dinivert ko lahat ng mga bago na stocks na lahat. So, it was mostly paper assets, meaning mutual funds, then stocks, then later on nag-bonds ako, then later on nag-REITs, then later on nag-ETFs. Then, pero puro paper assets. Then, lately, I started dabbling, getting a bit of properties also. So,
Dami na niya,
Hindi,
no?
pero that's why, I was so interested about what you were saying kasi, inuna mo yung real estate eh. So, that's so interesting because not everyone is doing real estate also. At 26 years old, nagre-real estate ka. So, yun, galing lang. And no more questions?
No more for now.
Okay, so I guess that's it, no? Yung aral na makukuha natin dito, si Venus, civil engineer dito, she's earning her salary pero saving 20% of her income, investing 40%. She now has 3 condos, plans to get 10 more. And may target ka ba sa stock market?
Paano target? Like,
Target that you want to, parang kailangan maging 100 million yung portfolio ko, kailangan maging 50 million, kailangan maging 20 million.
Oo naman. Siyempre gusto ko ganun. Kaya,
Do you have a target?
I'm
What's
trying
your
to
target?
improve myself.
Okay.
50 million.
50 million. Oh, not bad. Oh,
Okay lang maging ambitious, di ba?
Hindi, you'll get it faster pa nga. I think you'll get it faster because you have even better acumen. You have better acumen, better runway. Ako when I started out, hindi, financial literacy 10 years ago is not as it's not as big as what it is today. So, walang mga YouTube video, walang mga books, walang mga seminars as much as what we have now. So, yun yung advantage
Sobrang
mo.
easy na nung access
so,
information.
By the time you hit my age, you'll do so much better also than me. So, totoo. Yun yung gusto ko eh. We see more people na OFWs that you become an OFW, you stay here in Singapore, hindi dahil kailangan mo, pero dahil gusto mo na magstay dito kasi hindi traffic, malinis, hindi ka ma-hold up, gano'n. So,
Safe maglakad paggabi.
Safe maglakad paggabi. So, things like that. So, I guess that's it for now. We feature stories of different people para you learn from their stories as well. And I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.